Race day is finally here. Time to run a half marathon for the first time, but we got a little bit of a problem, and it's probably better I just show you. It is currently snowing outside. It's been snowing since 3 a.m. It's 6:15 right now, and it is not letting up at all today. It's supposed to be pretty much 100% snow the entire day. Gonna get 7 to 8 inches. And it's about 24, 25 degrees outside right now. So a lot of fun in store for us today. We're just getting ready for the elements right now. And I still gotta go wipe off my car, but I'll go do that soon. But yeah. Time to have some fun. Alright, I just wanted to show you guys the fuel for today. Got a little honey stinger energy waffle for right before the race. Around 30 minutes or so in, I'm going to take this caffeinated goo gel. I got a Morton gel. 60 minutes in, and then this caffeinated honey stinger strawberry kiwi gel for an hour and a half in. Yum. Here's the breakfast situation today. Got bagels, cream cheese, and some bananas. Thanks to Whole Foods. We're gonna try to fuel up before the race, and it's gonna be a little jank. We don't got like a toaster or anything like that. And that was because this particular hotel, just didn't have a condo breakfast, so we just kind of took it in our own hands. So yeah. We'll jank setup, but we're gonna use a microwave. Do what we gotta do. We are ready for action. We're getting shuttled over right now. We parked in a parking garage. Honestly, God bless for that parking garage, because I didn't have a snow wiper to wipe my snow off. So I wasn't trying to, manually shovel all that off after the race, especially after the race. But yeah, we're chilling. It's about 7:35, so T-minus 25 minutes before we start. Gonna try to get in another good warm-up before that.
What's up, camera? Let's go! Made it to the start line. The training is done. The treacherous drive. 3 minutes to the start of the half marathon. Half marathon. 3 minutes to the start. Go!
Oh my God.
One. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. A journey of 13.1 miles, half marathon, 21K. Woo! There you go! Let's get it, baby!
Oh man. It's already started hot.
Come on, baby!
Let's go. Currently, a mile and a half in, about 9-minute pace right now. Or 9:13 to be exact. Trying to negative split, so we got some more to go. Kind of chilling for once. Mile 3, baby, let's go. Where's mile 4? Oh. Mile 5, baby, let's get it. Mile 6. Let's get it, baby. It is not letting up out here. Holy cow. 6.7 miles left. Or 6.7 in. A little more than halfway. Let's go, mile 7. Just about hour 4 in. Might have gone a little too fast, but we're pulling through. Booyah. Let's go, mile 8, baby. I knew this bridge was coming, but fuck. Oh my gosh. There it is. 4.1 left. We push it through, we push it through.
10. That's all I got, guys. 10. 1:32. 1 hour 32. Mile left. 2.1 left. Let's go. 1.1.
Almost there.
0.1. Fuck. Oh my gosh. Holy, I think we made it. Oh.
You crushed it.
Let's go, baby. You did too, baby. Oh. Holy. I haven't sprinted that hard in a minute. Hey. Thanks for being out here.
Oh,
thank you so much.
Yeah.
Woo! Let's go, baby. Woo! Let's get it. Get your medal, big boy. Fucking killed it. Let's get it. Oh, bro. Strong, bro. It's strong, baby. Let's go. Let's go, George. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Finish strong. Let's go. Let's go! Let's go, Char!
Do a cool move when you
Woo!
Let's go!
Booyah! Booyah!
I'm gonna get sick from this sweat. Let's go.
Woo!
Let's go.
We did it!
Half marathon, easy. You're lazy at home. Stop watching and do a half marathon.
There you go. Listen to George, guys.
We just made it back to the car. Trying to warm up a little bit. I got this little pin. This was $10, but whatever. I'll take it. My first half. Boom. Yep.